Larkana. In an inspiring step towards promoting gender equality, the Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto Medical University, Larkana, organized a significant seminar on women empowerment and gender equity at Chandka Medical College. According to the university spokesperson, the seminar was held under the directives of the Honorable Vice-Chancellor Professor Dr. Nusrat Shah. The aim was to raise awareness and encourage dialogue on women's rights, equal opportunities, and gender-balanced development. A large number of enthusiastic students took part, reflecting strong interest in the subject. Addressing the seminar, Dr. Fozia Chandu, Vice Principal of Chandka Medical College, delivered an insightful multimedia presentation. She highlighted that SMBBMU proudly carries the name of Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, a global icon of women's empowerment. She noted that Benazir Bhutto's leadership proved that women can excel in every sphere of their life and continue to inspire millions around the world. The seminar was also addressed by Dr. Mir Hassan Khoso, Director Auric, Kamran Abbasi, Security in Charge, and Abdul Samad Bhatti, Media Coordinator. The speakers emphasized that the empowerment of women is essential for the progress of any society, as sustainable development is impossible without their meaningful participation. They stress the need to ensure women's equal access to education, employment, legal protection, and representation in key decision-making roles. The event concluded with an awareness walk starting from the administrative block of Chandka Medical College and ending at the main gate, symbolizing unity and commitment to the cause of gender equality.